Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to return cards to Vistaprint. All right. To return cards to Vistaprint or your order to Vistaprint, you do not typically ship them back. All right. Again, you do not typically ship them back. Instead, you must contact Vistaprint customer service to address any issues with your purchase, such as defects, because products are personalized. Okay. Vistaprint will review your concern and it may offer a refund or send a replacement order to resolve the problem. Now, to contact the support, if you don't know how to contact them, just go ahead over to Vistaprint.com. And once you're on your dashboard, like in here, just go to the top and you can go ahead and straight up call this number, okay? 1-866-207-4955, or just click on this option right here and just scroll all the way down and you have the request callback button. Okay, just make sure that they are online. It will be grayed out right here if they're offline. Okay, now for Mondays to Fridays, here are the times that they're available: Saturday, Sunday, right here. Now, if you want to use the live chat, just click on chat offline, or if you want to send them an email, just click on send email. Okay, just clearly describe the issue with your cards and have your order details ready. Now, if you don't know how to check your order details, you can just go ahead over to the top right, hover your mouse onto my account. Now click on order history and reorder. Right here, you'll be able to see the order ID and other information. Okay. Now, once that's done, Vistaprint will just review your request and determine the next steps. Okay. They may offer a full refund or a reorder of the product at no additional cost. And that is it. That's how you return cards to Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.